So at this point, you guys are kind of just getting started with your research. It's early in the semester. So you're probably maybe thinking of some ideas of topics that you might want to use for your projects in this class. So one of the things that you can do from the library site is actually browse the journals that we have access to for communication. Now we can click the journals link on our homepage. There are a couple of different ways you can use this page. You can type in the name of a specific journal to see if we have online access to it, or the other way that you can use this is actually browse for journals within, this is kind of a broad category, journalism and communications. We'll try this way first and then we'll go the specific journal route in just a minute. You can see that communication and mass media, we actually have 207 journals that we subscribe to with communication and mass media as the primary subject. And then we can get a list of all of those. And we can see from this page which of our databases we have access to that journal through, and then you can see the dates of coverage for each database. So this is one way that we can see if we have access to journals, and we can actually browse. If we go into one of these database links, if we click it and follow it, we can look at the articles in that journal and kind of see what topics the researchers are covering, what are they writing about right now, and that's a really good way to get some ideas of some topics that you might use for your projects in this class. We'll pop back up to the journals search, and we'll go ahead and type in a specific journal. Communication Studies. So very similar to what we were getting earlier, we can see that we have access to Communication Studies through 3 different databases: ProQuest Research Library, Taylor and Francis Online, and Communication and Mass Media Complete. Now what you will notice the difference is, of course each of these platforms are going to look a little bit different, but they should all have similar content, but there are different dates of coverage. If we want the most recent articles, we're probably going to want to take a look at this Taylor and Francis Online platform. When we get into the database, you can see the list of all the issues that are here. And so we can go ahead and click just issue 4. That's the most recent one that's in here. And we can see the topics that the researchers are writing about. So it looks like jealousy about partners' friendships, jealousy expression in dating relationships, confidential secrets, and technology and interpersonal theory and research. So these are all things that researchers are writing about, and then we should be able to find more research on. So this is a really good way to kind of get started with your research.